वकील साहब ऐसा नहीं,
Man,
ये सब मेरे यहाँ नहीं चलता है ये सब।
they are enjoying.
आपको सेल डीड दिखानी पड़ेगी जिसके आधार पर आपके पिताजी
My lord,
संपत्ति खरीदी।
they are challenging our adoption.
चलिए,
So they have to go to the court with
they
regard to
are probably misguided. Adoption will come later on. First of all, you will have to establish your title.
limited, my lord. My lord, in this, on the basis of registered adopted deed, my lord, we have obtained our mutation order in our favor. They say, my lord, they appeared before the Tehsildar, they filed an application. On the basis of adverse possession, they are claiming possession over the particular property. So, my lord, they have a remedy to challenge my adoption deed. My adoption deed was executed in year 1998, sorry. And my lord, in 2020, the person who adopted me got died. 2020. Later on, my lord, they come with a plea when our mutation is to be recorded. They come with a plea that, my lord, it was used to be a belongs to their ancestor. And my lord,
जब तक आप ये adoption को challenge नहीं करेंगे तब तक you have a remedy to challenge that.
May I submit? My lords, in this case, the present petitioner, my lords, are the grandson of one Hazari Lal. Hazari Lal is the owner of Khasra number 174, my lords. Thereafter, my lords, the private respondent, my lords, Bhaiya Lal. Bhaiya Lal and Hazari Lal are maternal uncles, my lords. Their
Land belongs to whom?
it belonged to my lords Hazari Lal.
Hazari Lal.
Yes, my lords.
And then
In
private respondent was adopted by whom?
private response by Bhaiya Lal, my lords, in 1998, my lords. I am in the possession of land, my lords, since 1955, my lords.
Bhaiya Lal.
Hazari Lal.
Bhaiya Lal is
Bhaiya Lal is my भतीजा था मेरा भैया लाल. He was my nephew.
Bhaiya Lal was your
Hazari Lal.
हैं? हजारी लाल का nephew था भैया लाल.
Yes, my lords.
आप लोग क्या हैं हजारी लाल के?
My lords, I am grandson.
of Hazari Lal.
Yes, my lords.
Ramesh क्या है?
Ramesh and Mahesh were son of Hazari Lal.
Ramesh and
Mahesh.
Ramesh Mahesh.
And
हाँ.
my lords, in 1955, Hazari Lal purchased the property, my lords. The Khasra entries I have brought on record as Annexure P1, my lords.
जी.
Hazari Lal purchased the property, my lords. Thereafter, Hazari Lal took some loan from Bhaiya Lal. It is undisputed, my lords.
जी. P1 से हजारी लाल ने खरीदी.
Yes, my lords.
फिर हजारी लाल ने भैया लाल से लोन लिया.
हाँ, इन्होंने लोन लिया and he repaid the loan, my lords. लोन के दौरान, my lords, he mortgaged the property for 3-4 years. तो उसके आधार पे म्यूटेशन भैया लाल के पास आ गया.
ठीक है.
But possession was never handed over to भैया लाल.
रिजम्पशन कब हुआ? मॉर्गेज का रिजम्पशन कब हुआ?
My lords, in 1970.
कहाँ है? Where is the order of resumption of mortgage?
My lords, that is not. That is.
Then how can you say that there was a resumption of mortgage?
My lords, it is neither with us, but this pleading has been taken by the present petitioner, my lords, before the Tehsildar, my lords. When the application of mutation was filed by.
Ultimately, you will have to prove two things.
Yes, my lords.
One, that Hazari Lal bought the property, mortgage resumed in his favor, and therefore it was no more with the with this Bhaiya Lal.
Lords, I totally bow down to my lords. This was the observation made by Tehsildar, the said observation which my lords are saying. But my lords, this was observed by Tehsildar that there is the adverse possession of the present petitioner and
adverse possession के लिए क्या remedy है?
My lords, we have to go to civil court.
Adverse possession, हाँ तो आप जाइए civil court.
We will go, but commissioner in my lords got involved in the appeal, my lords, and thereafter commissioner did the mutation in his favor. Now, my lords, third party right would be created.
We will say that आपको protection देते हैं, आप trial court जाइए, 30 दिन के अंदर वहाँ से injunction लीजिए, तब तक no third party right will be created.
Yes, my lord. Our name may be recorded because on the
record तो रहेगा ही ना.
Yes, and my lord, due to the impending order, my lord, granted by this honorable court,
not say anything. We will only say that they will be free to approach the trial court. Till then, parties will not create any third party right in relation to these properties. And thereafter, all the rights will be subject to the outcome of the civil court proceeding.
My lord, certainly, my lord, but here in my lord, our name is remained in Khasra from 1960. And my lord,
तो
they
कहाँ डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं, हम कहाँ डिस्टर्ब
no,
कर
no,
रहे हैं?
my lord, they say that my lord, the mortgage deed was to some extent was executed, but there was not a single document ever been produced in the before the any of the
फिर
authorities.
आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि भैया जी कब्जे में कैसे आए.
भैया लाल जी कभी कब्जे में ही नहीं थे
My lord, in fact,
never
they are the
neither they
family-
tried my lords
they are
neither
the
they
family
tried to
member, my
dispossess
lord.
us.
That's why they were doing the my lord cultivation over the particular land for the on the basis of
He
lease.
himself is admitting
No,
my lords.
they say my lord. And my lord, I was adopted in 1998. Since then, my lord, the property we were there.
इशू ये नहीं,
मान-
issue ये नहीं. आप अगर हमसे क्यों फाइंडिंग चाहते हैं, आपको सबको तकलीफ हो जाएगी. फाइन, जब
मान-
यह प्रॉपर्टी मूलतः हजारी लाल के नाम थी,
My lord,
इनका कहना ये है, जो कि आप डिस्प्यूट नहीं कर रहे, हजारी लाल ने कुछ कर्ज लिया भैया लाल से और वो प्रॉपर्टी मॉर्टगेज की भैया लाल के नाम पर, ठीक है. एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट मॉर्टगेज डीड, भैया लाल continued to be recorded as a Bhumi Swami.
my lord.
And on the strength of that record, you are claiming your rights being an adopted son of Bhaiya Lal. Okay, this is your case.
No, my lord, in fact, they say it is a mortgage deed, but it was a sale deed, in fact.
Where is the sale deed?
My lord,
Show us
sale
the
deed.
sale deed.
No, my lord, in fact, on the basis of that 1970, the Khasra name was recorded of the Bhaiya Lal.
कॉपी तो होगी ना
और-
भैया लाल के नाम पक्ष में,
My lord,
कॉपी दिखा दीजिए.
my lord, name of in the
नहीं, वकील साहब ऐसा नहीं,
man.
ये सब मेरे यहाँ नहीं चलता ये सब.
So, my lord, they
अगर आपके पास सेल डीड की कॉपी है, नहीं, these are to be decided by the trial court.
that is my sole contention, my lord.
This petition can be is being disposed of with the consent of the party, counsel for the parties, with the direction that orders of the additional commissioner Sagar shall remain in abeyance, and party shall not create any third party right for a period of 30 days, during which parties may file appropriate civil proceedings seeking appropriate declaration as to their rights and liabilities. Full stop. Till then, parties undertake not to alienate the suit property in favor of any third party and shall maintain status quo as it exists today.
My lord, what is submit? The status, our name have been recorded, but due to the impending order of this honorable court, it is anti-status quo was granted. So their name, Bhaiya Lal name has been restored, my lord. So we are just requesting our, because in the light of the order passed by the commissioner, our name.
के पास सेल डीड है ना अभी
जिनके नहीं तो उनके पापा का नाम तो है ना अभी
Father's
record
name is
पे.
very much there, my lord. The presumption of 117 and 16 of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act is there.
चलिए.
So, my lord, what is submit? The status quo may not be maintained. Otherwise, my lord, what would be there? I am undertaking, my lord, not to create a third party right. But the fact remains, my lord, that my name at least may be recorded as that.
All the rights and liabilities will be subject to the outcome of civil suit. चलिए.
My lord, what is submit? The status quo.
चलिए.
My lord, in fact, what is submit?
Sorry.
My lord, in fact, they are before this.
रेवेन्यू एंट्रीज का वैसे भी टाइटल नहीं बनता रेवेन्यू एंट्रीज से. चलिए.
जी साहब, लेकिन my lord, what the difficulty here in my lord?
डिफिकल्टी ये है,
They are enjoying.
आपको सेल डीड दिखानी पड़ेगी जिसके आधार पर आपके पिताजी
My lord,
संपत्ति खरीदी.
they are challenging our adoption.
चलिए.
So they have to go to the court with regard to.
They are probably misguided. Adoption will come later on. First of all, you will have to establish your title.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, next case.